Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix Marvel Rivals voice chat not working. So first, in-game, you should go to your settings and go to your audio. Now make sure that the device you're using are the ones in here, in your playback, and most especially in your voice chat. Now I'm using my laptop mic, so that's just it. Next thing is go to your voice chat mode and choose open mic. Then turn your voice chat volume on 100 as well as your mic volume 100. Then make sure your voice chat is on. And then just test it out, go launch the game. Now another way out of the game is go to your sound setting. In your input, make sure to choose the microphone that you have been using. Next, just scroll down and find more sound settings. And then here, click on recording. Then check on the microphone you're using. Then go ahead and click on properties. Then click advanced. Then just check this box right here. Then click on apply. Then okay. Then try the game again.